Alexa, play Ed Sheeran radio in the family room.
The station Ed Sheeran from Amazon Music, playing on family room.
Alexa, turn up the volume to 6 in the family room.
Follow my lead. Well, I found a girl.
In this episode, we take a look at a Sonos sound system with Alexa voice built in to control your music around the house. Stay tuned to see more. Hi, my name is Will Vitella, home technology expert. In this episode, we're going to take a look at using Alexa built inside of your Sonos home audio system to be able to control your music and your volume for your speakers around the house, everywhere from your family room to the kitchen to the patio and all over. Here I am inside of the family room, and as you can see right above the fireplace, I have a premium, gorgeous LG OLED 65-inch TV with 4K HDR. And right underneath it, I mounted a Sonos Playbar soundbar speaker. Notice the seamless integration that I did, giving a minimalistic gap between the soundbar speaker and the television set, making it seem and giving the impression that the soundbar speaker is part of the television set. A beautiful modern design, clean with hidden wiring. Over in the corner behind the chair, I have the Sonos bass subwoofer. So that way you have a full range, impactful sound with great clarity. Now let's take a look at over the kitchen. So here we are inside of the kitchen, and right here on top of the counter, you can see a Sonos Wi-Fi music speaker that can not only play beautiful, clear, room-filling sound right here into the kitchen, but it also happens to have an Alexa voice assistant built right inside of it. So that way I could be able to control the music and the volume inside of this room. So with this microphone, it will actually be able to work approximately up to 20 feet away and still be able to hear me. So whether I'm over standing by the kitchen sink washing some dishes, or I'm here on the island chopping up some vegetables, I can simply use my voice and be able to control it. For example, I could say things like, Alexa, play Ed Sheeran radio.
Getting your Ed Sheeran radio station from Pandora, playing on kitchen.
And that's simple. I simply say what I want and she does it for me. Now I can also adjust the volume. So I can say, Alexa, turn up the volume to 6.
Life is kind of boring. Need something that I can confess.
You know, it's just amazing. Out of such a small speaker, you have such great mid-bass coming out of it. It's amazing what Sonos does with this speaker. Alexa, turn down the volume to 3. I could also easily change the station like this. Alexa, play the Eagles radio.
Getting your Eagles radio station from Pandora, playing on kitchen.
And she just changes the station. Alexa, pause. Now I can not only use my Sonos speaker with Alexa built in to be able to control the music coming out of the kitchen, but I can also use it to be able to control music coming out of the family room right here, or any of the other room inside of the houses, as a matter of fact. So let's do an example of that. Alexa, play Adele radio in the family room.
Getting your Adele radio station from Pandora, playing on family room.
And that easy, she's playing inside the family room. Unbelievable bass coming out of that Sonos subwoofer. Now I can adjust the volume, of course. Alexa, turn down the volume to 3 in the family room. And just like that, she just turns down the volume. Very, very easy. Alexa, pause the family room. So I hope you enjoyed this particular episode looking at a Sonos home audio system with Alexa voice assistant built in. If you would like more information or if you would like to schedule an in-home consultation, please visit my website, hometechnologyexpert.com, and click on Schedule an Appointment. Thanks for watching.